This video delves into the intricacies of grilling perfect Korean barbecue chicken, covering everything from marinating techniques to essential grilling methods. Viewers will gain valuable insights into preparing and cooking this beloved dish to perfection, ensuring a flavorful and satisfying dining experience. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or a novice cook, this tutorial will equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to create mouth-watering Korean barbecue chicken that will impress family and friends. Join us on this culinary journey as we unlock the secrets to mastering Korean barbecue chicken on the grill. Selecting the right chicken cuts is crucial for achieving the perfect Korean barbecue chicken. This segment focuses on identifying the best cuts of chicken to use, ensuring optimal flavor and tenderness in every bite. Viewers will learn how different chicken cuts can impact the overall taste and texture of the dish, as well as how to properly prepare them for marinating and grilling. By mastering the art of selecting the right chicken cuts, you can elevate your Korean barbecue chicken game and impress your guests with a delectable homemade meal. Marinating is essential for enhancing the flavor profile of Korean barbecue chicken. This segment explores the key ingredients and techniques required to marinate the chicken effectively, infusing it with the mouth-watering Korean flavors that make this dish so beloved. Viewers will discover the secrets behind creating a flavorful marinade that penetrates the chicken for an unforgettable taste experience. From traditional Korean seasonings to expert marinating methods, this tutorial will guide you through the process of marinating Korean barbecue chicken for maximum flavor impact. Grilling techniques play a vital role in ensuring that Korean barbecue chicken is cooked to perfection. This segment focuses on mastering the art of grilling to achieve the ideal char on the chicken while retaining its juiciness and flavor. Viewers will learn about different grilling methods, temperatures, and timings that contribute to achieving that sought-after charred exterior and succulent interior. By understanding the nuances of grilling techniques, you can elevate your Korean barbecue chicken game and delight your taste buds with tender, charred goodness. Presentation and serving are just as important as the cooking process when it comes to Korean barbecue chicken. This segment covers tips and tricks on how to beautifully present and serve your perfectly grilled chicken, enhancing the overall dining experience. Viewers will learn about creative plating ideas, garnishing techniques, and serving suggestions that elevate the visual appeal of the dish. Discover how the art of presentation can enhance the enjoyment of your culinary creation and impress your guests with a visually stunning and mouth-watering Korean barbecue chicken spread.